H-Aibhneadh Goiridh. Mi dó Ionnsaichidh Goiridh na fuinn san Breton Island a chaidh le bàird Bhràigh. I'm going to teach you the choruses to some songs that were composed by bards and bana-bhàrd, the female bard as well, from Bhràigh in Inverness County, Breton Island. Bhràigh is in English Kingsville and Glendale. h-òrain mi dó thuairiscíomh sé h-òrain a chaidh le dh'Eilean sé níos gunne sé bhíonte a tháinig a ná a móideart as an teann dhuibh cuma se chág agus sí chaidh na bana-bhàrd de bhacanne ans chairnaidh seo. First song is one that was composed by Jane McGuinness, who came from Moylert, Scotland in 1844 as a young woman, and she was one of a couple of female bards from here. And this song is known as h-òrain na picnic, the picnic song. She married a fellow down in Long Point, and Duncan McCachran was his name. He got sick and she was worried about how they were going to get through the winter, and she composed this song. She had a picnic and composed this song about the picnic. Very simple song to learn. It's only 4 lines to the chorus, and the first 3 lines are all the same. So it goes: Eden, Aaron, you, hurro. You do that 3 times. Eden, Aaron, you, hurro. Runs together as Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. And the last is chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. Ahal bhór, chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. Again, the last line, chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. And I'll just sing line by line so you can repeat. I'll do it once all together. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. So, Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Your turn. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. And you run it together. You can repeat that if you want. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. And I'll run it together with the first verse. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. Bat down a scachach on a Cheap Breatainn mach agus Sam as catch and thatch of Jameson. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Eden, Yaren, you, hurro. Chèarnaidh bhór a picnic. Okay, sinna h-òrain. And darn h-òrain mi dó dhéanamh. Sé h-òrain a rain dh'Eilean mach agus saoil as an 8 bhór a bheith dh'Eilean a sé net Bhràigh agus Ionnsaichidh agus sé an dhèanadh an h-òrain seo mi seo sa h-òrain. Gas a sé agus charó a Ionnsaichidh san a thuairt leo de le bhígad dá mun gúirt gá, de le bhígad over Bhràigh. So the next song is one that was composed by dh'Eilean. Dá was Donald. Lees is probably Eliza or Elizzy, was his mother. I think his father may have died young. And he was a MacLean from Big Brook. Big Brook is between Bhràigh and River Dennis. And the name of the song is Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh. I'm here in the Round Forest, and it's a protest song in that the young people won't take them with them drinking anymore, and he's making a song to kind of make fun of them. So it goes, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Han dh'Eilean go cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. I'm here in the Round Forest. I will start to sing choruses, join in the chorus. The young fellas, the young lads are all gathering, and I wish I was there as well. So, to break her down, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, h-Aibhneadh, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Kenny me ritokal fuinn. Again, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Again, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. And it goes, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Again, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. So I'll do it line for line. Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn. Your turn. Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Berlam heen Goromiaun. Okay, and I'll do that chorus with the first verse and back to chorus. Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Good me Shah h-òrain, van Bhràigh, van Achinham, Gach mishes yerat cach, Mar nach paien samograun, Hami Shah h-Aibhneadh, Kenny me ritokal fuinn, Ha dh'Eilean aga cruin, is Berlam heen Goromiaun. Okay, and h-òrain, Hami h-Aibhneadh, sé dhuibh a haun, dúdach h-òrain pic, a chaidh le bàird as a Bhràigh, a ruggal an arasig as an teann dhuibh, sé meach cechan a bhaun, agus sé an daine Allan meach gawan. Agus bhaid mwy an a styrm fôr, I gyrrig nwy a flintiag, agus rhaid an tauran bic seo me yin sin. Sé an daine an áran ilio igen na so. So the next song is by another Bhràigh bard, who was a McKechan, was born in Ionnsaichidh, Scotland, and came over as a boy or as a youth. And his brother was a bard as well, and his sister was a bard, a McKechan, and he was a sailor, and he was sailing off the Grand Banks of Newfoundland in 1873 when the August gale hit. It was a terrific storm, and he survived it, and he made this little song, just a dhuibh or a wunyak, and he made this to commemorate that. Very simple, it's only 3 lines, and the first and the third are the same. And it goes, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso, Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió is what we call vocables. They're just Gaelic sounds. They're kind of highly evolved sounds that answer very good to music. Ilian is the way you would call to lads, boys, which are Gaelian. You'd say Ilian. And chaidh mín cató means I didn't get to sleep. So we'll do it line for line. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. And I'll just sing it once or twice. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso, Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso, Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Okay, so line for line. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató. Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. And now I'll do it chorus, verse, chorus again. Illiú, Illió, Illianiso, Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Sauned matin voici tani chartich mi vieke vala Illiú, Illió, Illianiso, Illiú, Illió, chaidh mín cató, Illiú, Illió, Illianiso. Okay. Agus an ceadh h-òrain a hacam Goiridh Dòmhnullach, h-òrain rain Dòmhnullach, mach gunnar se bhain, as a Bhràigh Ballin-Ree, agus rain seo gus a bhí déanaach becin de thuim éad chèarnaidh aice a bhí rí briús agus chaidh beidir agus rain an h-òrain mar go raibh a hain fer bh seo tarmid sés mar garstar mar gun de rain a hain an h-òrain. Next song was composed by a McGuinness from Kingsville in Bhràigh. His name was Dòmhnullach, Donald, son of Rory. And I learned it from his nephew, who was Roddy Ellick, a good friend of mine, great singer. And it's a song that he made when a neighbour of his who was making shine got caught because he stopped being careful and making it out in the woods and started making it in his house, and he got caught by the Mounties and had to go down to Port Hood to jail for a little spell. And Dòmhnullach made the song kind of picking at him. By the way, it was himself, Tarmid Chess, that made this song. And anyhow, it goes Cheap Breatainn. Again, it's 3 lines, and the first and the third are the same. Cheap Breatainn Goiridh Dòmhnullach. Haminish sa Friesen, h-òrain an bown. Cheap Breatainn Goiridh Dòmhnullach. Cheap Breatainn Goiridh, I must certainly. Dòmhnullach, stop from the dram, stop the drink. Haminish sa Friesen, I'm now in prison. h-òrain an bown, O King of the Mountains. Cheap Breatainn Goiridh Dòmhnullach, I must certainly stop the drink, get off the drink. Okay, so to pronounce it, we'll go Cheap Breatainn Goiridh Dòmhnullach. Cheap Breatainn Goiridh Dòmhnullach. Haminish sa Friesen, h-òrain an bean. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. And it goes like this. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Again. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. So do it line for line. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. And again, I'll do it chorus, verse, chorus. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Sméis a bheith gárach a gobbar sa bálaíach fiscadí. Tánaigh a néaspóir sa bhain. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Haminish sa phríosan h-òrain an bean. Sétar gá go clínteach scoireann drám. Well, sin ag becin de h-òrain dhuibh, fydd eisiau becin de gobr I dhéanadh o'r sin, agus am a dachas gan gaf sin na h-òrain sin cáwa war chorcan, agus gan tog si eisiau fewn. Ní mi video na bharach cwtioch, gan si caca fyd na h-òrain swan a hain Ionnsaichidh cwtioch. So there's some songs from Bhràigh, composed by Sheena Henny, and by Don Lees, by Alan McGowan, and by Bana Nuadh. And hope you learn those choruses, enjoy them. We have the chance to sing them together someday. And as well, I'll do more videos yet where I'll teach you the entire songs if you want to learn them. They're great songs to keep going. I'm in dachas gan the chóir seo roimh agus benach leibh.